Hey guys, Gracie here. I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for ways to freshen up my space. Flowers are a really simple and beautiful way to do that. I love to have fresh flowers in my house, especially in my living room and my kitchen. I really think they just brighten the rooms. I am definitely not an expert at all, but I love to experiment with this type of stuff. So let's see what we can create using a really pretty store-bought bouquet. I am all about self-care, so I picked these out for myself. I love the bright colors here, the pinks, the yellows, even this purple too. I just think they're really pretty. So the first thing that I like to do, like on all those cooking shows, is gather all my supplies, make sure I have everything I need in one place, which you really don't need much, so this is easy. Make sure you have some scissors, of course your beautiful bouquet, and then a nice vase filled with water, so a little more than halfway full. Give it some good water. Next, I like to sort through all the flower stems and greens to see what we're working with. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove the plastic wrap around my bouquet. So I just kind of like to lay out everything I have, kind of go through it all and see what we have. The next thing that I like to do is I like to remove all these little leaves towards the bottom of the stems. I think that it helps the flowers stay fresher for longer. And usually when I do this, I do it all at once. So as I'm kind of sorting through, I'm gonna start taking off these leaves, just giving everyone here a nice clean stem. Okay, so everything is pretty much cleaned up here. Everyone's got a nice clean stem. Plant food. You guys, they give you this for a reason, so don't forget to use it. My flowers always last longer when I add it to the vase of water. Don't forget to do it. I'm gonna use half today and I'm gonna save the other half for later on when I change the water. Let's see, what do I wanna start with? I think I'm gonna start with my greens. I think that it adds a nice little base for all the flowers, so we're gonna pull these out. Got a few of them. And I'm gonna just sort of add these around the outside base to sort of frame my arrangement. Okay, so I think next I'm gonna start with these pink ones. I have about 3 stems of these, I think, 3 or 4. So I'm gonna sort of just measure against my vase, see what I have here. Give it a nice cut. All right, next I think I'm gonna play around with what I have left to see which flowers look good where. I think I'm gonna save these larger flowers for the end. I think they add a really nice impact. They're a good focal point flower. So I have 2 of these kind of bigger roses and then this little bit smaller guy, but I'll save him for the end too. And that way, once I'm done here, I can kind of see where they'll have the most impact and figure out where I wanna place them. And then these roses, kind of placing these focal point ones sort of around so that really anywhere you're viewing this from, you get a nice look. I've got these other greens that I'm gonna sort of add in here, wherever I think they look best. And then finally, we've got these sort of grass-like things, and I think I'm just gonna kind of add these in throughout, so they're sort of sticking over. Just that final touch for my arrangement. I love how this turned out, you guys. I love my mix of flowers here, and the greens add a nice balance. The pinks, the purples, the yellows, my big roses. I just think it's so pretty. And my vase too, my purple vase helps to pull out those colors as well, which is a nice touch. So don't be afraid to experiment with whatever you find. If you like a certain flower or color or certain green, just grab what you like and you can do this at home. It's super, super easy. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time on another episode of Let's Grow. Bye.